Let me give you guys a fair warning. I didn't tell you guys this while we were getting ready. I went to Pagoda last night, I think it's called.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hot pot place it's in like Dinkytown. It's actually like right by Varsity Theater. But anyway, my gas has been smelling like the broth of last night's hot pot.
What did you eat?
Everything. Have you ever done the hot pot experience?
No.
So you order you pick your broth. And they basically like bring out like a little like stove top that sits at your table.
Okay.
And it burns and it boils it. And you cook and they bring out like all your vegetables and meat raw. And you put it in there and it cooks.
So you're basically cooking for yourself.
You're basically cooking for yourself. And then you still have to tip 20% for cooking all the food.
So is it like ramen?